Hi, I'm Joe Divito, Director of Assessing for the Town of Scituate. I'm here to talk about fiscal 23 property exemptions. Exemption forms are available in the Assessor's Office at Town Hall or on the website scituatema.gov on the Assessor's page. In order to qualify as the owner of the property, you must own and occupy the property as of July 1st, 2022. If the property is owned in a trust, the applicant must be the trustee and the beneficiary of the trust, or have a life estate. There are various exemptions for seniors. There's the tax deferral, which you must be 65 years of age for. There's a $350 exemption for seniors available, and that has an asset requirement. Your asset limit for fiscal 23 is $47,000. There's also a $1,000 senior exemption, and there is an asset as well as an income requirement based on your 2021 income tax return. There are also veterans exemptions available. In order to qualify for a veterans exemption, you obviously must have ownership interest in the property and possess at least a 10% service-connected disability. And exemptions range from $400 off your taxes per year to up to 100%. There is a Community Preservation Act, commonly known as the CPA exemption. The CPA surcharge is that 3% surcharge on your tax bill where money is collected for preservation of open space, historical properties, recreation, and affordable housing. In order to qualify for a CPA exemption, you must be over 60 years of age and meet the income requirements, or there is also a low income exemption criteria in which there is no age requirement. You just have to meet those requirements as far as your 2021 income levels. If you do qualify for the CPA exemption, 100% of that surcharge is exempted. As I mentioned earlier, I'd like to discuss real estate tax deferrals a little more. In order to qualify for real estate tax deferral, you must be at least 65 years of age as of July 1st, 2022. Your income cannot exceed $62,000 based on your 2021 tax return. You can defer up to the full amount of your real estate tax bill or a portion. When you defer your real estate taxes, it's not forgiveness of the taxes, such as the other exemptions that were previously mentioned. There will be a 4% interest charged on those taxes deferred. It's straight line interest, and you can defer 100% every year, or you can defer any portion from 100% down to nothing while in the program of deferring your taxes. And those deferred taxes do not become due until the property is sold. There are also other exemptions for surviving spouses at $350, surviving spouses or minor children of firefighters or police officers killed in the line of duty. That's 100% exemption of your real estate taxes. There's also exemption for blind persons, and a certificate of blindness is required. There is documentation required, a little more the first time you apply for an exemption. If you're applying for an exemption with an asset test, we'll need bank statements for the months of June, July, and August. And we do request that you black out the account number before submitting that information. Also, if you do not file a tax return, we'll need a copy of your Social Security statement for 2021, as well as pension statements for 2021. And the most important form is your tax return for 2021. That gives us a lot of information, and you can submit it with your Social Security number crossed out, or you can bring it to our office here at Town Hall, and we'd be happy to review it, take the information that we need, verify it, and you can leave with your tax return. I know I just presented a lot of information, This information is available online. It's basically a PowerPoint presentation. But if you ever have any questions, please call the assessor's office at 781-545-8712. And any of us would be happy to assist you. And please keep in mind, for fiscal 23, which is the year we're in right now, exemption applications must be received in the assessor's office by April 3rd.